Let's know about events. Events are an action that happen in the browser with JavaScript response to it. We have different type of events, for example, mouse events, keyboard events, and etc. In this video, we will learn about mouse events that contains on click, on double click, on mouse down, on mouse up, on mouse over, and on mouse out. In this example, I want to make it like this. When the user click on this text box, the text of this should be changed. And for this reason, we have to use onClick. I create this box in HTML, and I gave a style for this in CSS. And now in JavaScript, I want to work with it. When the user click on this box, the text of this should be changed. Let's take this document dot get element by ID. Inside the ID, I want to write the ID of my box. The ID of my box is box. Let's copy this, paste it here, and now when the user click on it, the text of this should be changed. For this reason, we have to write on click. After on click, we have to make a function, and we can create function into two ways. One way is we have to write function. After that, we have to write parentheses and brackets. And I want to write in different way. For example, I want to take parentheses, equal, greater, and brackets. Inside the brackets, you can write whatever you want. For example, I want to change the text of this. For this reason, I want to take the ID of that. And now I want to change the text of this. For changing the text of that, we have to write in a HTML equal to, for example, I want to write on click. Now let's see when the user click on it, the text of that changed. Now let's know what is on double click. When the user double click, the text of this should be changed. Let's see. I want to copy this, paste it here, and I want to change this on click into double click. On double click, and I want to change this also on double click. Now let's see when the user double click on double click. And now let's know on mouse down. Mouse down when the user press the button, and mouse up when the user release the button. Let's see this. On mouse down when the user press the mouse. For example, I want to change this into button pressed, or we can write mouse down. Now let's see. I want to press the mouse. When I release it, nothing will be happen. And I want to write it like this. Document just get element by ID on mouse up. Now let's see when I press the button on mouse down. When I release it, mouse up. This mouse down and mouse out. And now let's know what is mouse over and mouse out. Mouse over is like an hover when the user brings the mouse on it, and mouse out when the user take the mouse out on it. For example, let's see it. I want to change this on click into on mouse over. And when the user take the mouse out. Let's see. Mouse over me, mouse out, mouse over me, mouse out. This is mouse events. I hope you understand.